Woodland Airpark, home to Angeles City Flying Club. It is a focal point for like-minded individuals to come and visit, share stories about flying, ask questions about flying, look at airplanes flying, and yes, go flying. Here you will find people from all walks of life, bonded together by their love of flight. It is a place where kids are introduced to flying at a very young age, hitching rides with the lost boys and gals of the club who simply refuse to grow up. Woodland is truly a place for everything that fly, from kites to remote control airplanes, ultralights, light sport, and full-grown general aviation airplanes. If you have not been to Woodland and have a great interest in aviation, take that extra step and get that trial introductory flight on an ultralight, or have a talk with one of the lost boys and gals of Woodland and become one of those who simply would not grow up and out of flying.
Wood.
He is.
Conception. This is also conception. This is wood.
Yeah.
Arayat, Magalang, Conception.
So we're gonna go that way, and then later we'll climb up the cloud. I'm trying to think how high that is. Ew. Like smoke, right?
Yeah,
We're in the cloud.
now we're out of the cloud.
Now we're out of the cloud, yeah. Clock tower 9012, 800 feet, 8 miles to Woodland, switching Woodland now. Good day. Thank you, Merry Christmas. So we were just talking to Clark Tower there. They're the ones in charge. They're the guys in charge of Clark Airport.
Yeah, where is it located?
Located that way.
Yeah,
Yeah, remember when we went to Mount Pinatubo?
yeah,
Yeah, that was Clark Airport, the big airport there.
yeah, and that's the cloud.
Yeah, it's a big cloud, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, the day is not done yet, and I was told that I get free 15 minutes on this airplane. Yeah, membership perks. Clear prop. Well, that was fun, huh, Kyle?
Yeah.
Yeah. That ultralight flight took more than 15 minutes. It was way too much fun. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Bye.